Hello, everyone, my name is Ji-Eun Lee. Today, we will discuss a rare but complication following total knee arthroplasty, the dissociation of the polyethylene tibial insert. Let's start with a case from November 7, 2019. A patient presented with increasing anterior knee pain 2 years after undergoing TKA. On a follow-up radiograph dated March 15, 2021, we observed that the radiolucent polyethylene insert had migrated from the tibial tray to the anterior aspect. Although the patellar tendon is not visible on plain radiographs, we have highlighted it in yellow to emphasize that the dislocated polyethylene insert can potentially cause damage to the patellar tendon. Dissociation of the polyethylene tibial insert from the tibial baseplate is a rare complication after TKA. This can occur due to the dislodgement of the locking screw or pin. Linear signal hyperintensity between the polyethylene tibial insert and the tibial tray suggests the presence of dissociation. An obvious gap between the polyethylene tibial insert and the tibial tray, along with the thinning of the polyethylene tibial insert, indicates separation due to severe backside polyethylene wear. Dissociation of the polyethylene tibial insert on the tibial tray. It's crucial to understand that the dislocated polyethylene insert can cause significant damage to the patellar tendon. Recognizing this complication early through imaging and clinical evaluation is vital for preventing further damage and planning appropriate interventions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like it.